How to use advanced feature in Disney Plus. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to use advanced feature in Disney Plus. So what you want to do is, to use the advanced feature in Disney Plus, you can adjust settings for immersive viewing, manage profile specific experiences, and customize how your discovery content or how you could discover content as well. So here's what you need to do is Disney Plus supports high-end format like 4K Ultra, Dolby Atmos, and IMAX Enhanced. Now, Marvel movies offers an expanded aspect ratio. So in order to use or in order to find them, you could use IMAX Enhanced filter on the movie page as well. You could also select supported titles. You could look for DTS X badge in the details tab and toggle IMAX enhance support to on the option video as well. And if you want to manual the quality adjustment, you just have to go to profile, then go to the app settings and go to data uses. And likewise, you could go to the profile and parental control as well. You could go with the restricting the content by age. You could go to edit profile, select the profile and choose content rating as well. You could also enable this for simplified interface with child-safe content. You can also turn on kid-proof exit to require a challenge before switching profile as well. You could protect adult profile by setting a 4-digit PIN and edit profile settings as well. So this way you'll be able to use advanced feature in Disney Plus. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.